Boondi is a crunchy and spicy Indian snack made from chickpeas. The savory morsels will cure hunger pangs straight from the bowl, just like a good potato chip.
It's also a popular addition to Raider, an Indian yogurt. The salty crunch provides texture to the cooling dip. Surati Sweet Mart in Toronto, Ontario, has been making this Indian treat for over 30 years.
It's a third-generation family-run company, and Boondi is their business.
We are the Boondi experts.
Okay, time to prove it. Let's build some Boondi. First, 22 liters of water are poured into a mixer bowl, and a special spice mix is slowly added to the water.
Ooh, that sounds good. What's the special spice mix?
Spice mix number 210. Secret.
Aw, come on, guys. Your secret will be safe with us. Kind of. Well, we do know the water and spices are stirred by hand to ensure there are no clumps. 20 kilograms of chickpea flour is slowly added to the mix.
Surati will use 350,000 kilos of chickpea flour in a year. The ingredients mix for about 2 minutes at a low speed.
And voila! We've got our Boondi batter.
The batter is manually poured into a load pot through a strainer, which eliminates any clumps.
The finished batter is pumped from the load pot up into a machine that makes it rain. Rain Boondi, that is.
The Boondi rainfall, as we like to call it. And
It's raining Boondi.
it's raining Boondi.
Here, the batter is forced through hundreds of custom-sized holes into a fryer below. It's during this dive that the Boondi finds its form and takes shape.
Let's slow it down for a closer look at these Boondi stalactites.
Like a big Boondi cradle, the machine sways gently to keep them spread out.
The oil is heated to 176 degrees Celsius, and the Boondi fries for about 5 minutes. The company goes through 400,000 kilograms of oil every year.
When they're finished frying, the newborn Boondi are transferred into a cooling tunnel. Here, they will chill for around 2 minutes.
But they can't get too comfy. Once the Boondi is cold, it rolls onto an inspection tray. Here it is combed over to ensure it meets the grade for size, color, texture, and of course, taste.
Which is where this guy comes in.
My name is Rohit. Around here, they call me the Boondi Man.
Now, if the Boondi man's satisfied, the snacks are swept into a drum. The drum is raised onto a platform and poured into the packaging hopper.
From the hopper, the Boondi travels down a conveyor and falls into a series of automatic scales. Individual portions of 341 grams are weighed, and the Boondi drops into packages below, which are heat-sealed by a form and fill machine. A metal detector is in place to ensure that no foreign debris sneaks by.
The sealed packages arrive by conveyor to be packed by hand into cases, 15 at a time.
Over 1,000 cases are packed every day. The cases are palletized, ready for distribution. Surati Sweet Mart ships over 20,000 cases of Boondi to customers across North America every year.
But they keep a few cases for themselves.
We eat a lot of Boondi. We have a lot of family parties, so.
We don't bring like housewarming gifts or like party gifts. We just
We
bring
bring
cases
Boondi.
of Boondi.
Well, next time I have a party, be sure to bring your Boondi box.